This is your new Lacros Thunder e-bike. Let's start assembling. Take out the e-bike carefully. Open the accessory box and check the components: charger, power cable, pedals, toolkit, and owner's manual. Handlebar installation. Loosen the stem bolts. Place the handlebar centered on the stem. Tighten the bolts to the stem. Front wheel installation. Remove the disc brake protector and the front fork protector. Place front wheel in dropouts. Remove the thumb nut and one of the coolant springs. Insert the quick release skewer through the hub. Tighten the hub nut and close the quick release lever. Headlight and front fender installation. Loosen the bolt on the fork brace. Reinsert the bolt through the light and fender to the hole. Tighten the bolt. Pull both ends of the fender brace to the front fork. Tighten both side bolts. Pedals installation. Locate the pedals and identify which is the right and left pedal. Thread and rotate each side pedal. Seat adjustment. Adjust the seat height by sliding the seat post up and down. Safety check before riding.